transforming light into solid matter. In our world today, we recognize three traditional states of matter. Solids, which have a fixed shape, like ice or metals. Liquids, which flow freely, like water. And gases, such as air, which expand to fill any available space. Plasma, found in the sun, is another state composed of electrically charged particles, supersolid matter. However, in the realm of quantum physics, stranger states emerge. For example, supersolid matter can combine the properties of both solids and liquids. This unique material behaves like a solid and a liquid simultaneously, an unusual quantum state that possesses a solid structure like a crystal, yet flows smoothly like a liquid without any friction. Imagine a row of water droplets that can move effortlessly while maintaining their distances from one another. Something impossible in our ordinary world, yet feasible in the quantum realm, according to atomic and optical physicist Jacopo Carusoto from the University of Trento in Italy. These droplets can flow through an obstacle without experiencing disturbances, while maintaining their spatial arrangement and mutual distances unchanged, just like in crystalline solid materials. Previously, supersolids could only be made from atoms, but now, a team led by scientists from the National Research Council in Italy has succeeded in creating a supersolid material using photons for the first time. Light and its movements. Light is pure energy, and therefore does not typically behave like a solid or liquid. However, scientists employed a clever physical trick to make light behave like matter, as described in a study published in the prestigious journal Nature. The first step involved making light stick to matter. To bring light closer to behaving like matter, it needed to be combined with physical particles. The researchers used a focused light beam, laser, directed at a special material known as gallium arsenide, a compound of gallium and arsenic. When the light struck the material, it began interacting with the electrons within, leading to the emergence of quasi-material particles called polaritons. To simplify, these can be imagined as hybrid particles that are part light and part matter. Subsequently, the scientists guided the polaritons through complex manipulations to behave like supersolid materials. The term quasi-material refers to an unusual type of matter that scientists call quasi-particles. To grasp this concept, imagine a wave of cheers created by a crowd in a stadium. This wave is not just one person moving, but rather the collective movement of the crowd creates a wave that seems to move independently. Similarly, quasi-particles arise from coordinated movements or interactions among many particles within a material, causing disturbances to behave as if they were independent entities, even though they are not fundamental particles like protons or electrons, promising applications. To verify the success of the experiment, the scientists conducted several important tests, such as measuring the density of the resulting material. They found it distributed in the form of two large peaks with a gap in between, indicating the presence of supersolid matter. They also employed other techniques to measure the quantum state of the system and discovered that the quantum arrangement remained stable throughout the entire system, confirming that the material was indeed supersolid.